how to change the batteries, which will be 4 AA batteries on a Deadbolt Pro Wi-Fi smart deadbolt lock. Very, very easy, very, very simple. This is the lock. This lock will be, in theory, attached to the door. You only need to put a finger on each side, go up, and there's the AA battery casing. Look real closely. It'll have a positive and negative symbol to let you know which direction the batteries goes. On your battery, you will have a positive and negative symbol. So negative there, put it in. So basically, the flat back portion of the battery goes up against the springs. Then all you do is slide your casing back on top. All to it. Up. Put your batteries in. Close it back down. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Make sure that you are logged in to your Deadbolt account. Make sure you're online on the network with the Deadbolt lock itself. Once you are online with the lock itself, then all you would do is press it straight up. This straight up. This goes straight up. Comes off, battery aligned, press it back down, make sure you're online, you're good to go.